Finally, say start. It gives me great pleasure to address you on the occasion of the inauguration of the Rajiv Gandhi Chandigarh Technology Park. It is indeed befitting that this significant project is spread over an area of 123 acres in the first phase should be named after our former Prime Minister, late Sri Rajiv Gandhi. He was a great visionary with a passion for IT and strongly advocated the use of technology in all its facets for taking India to the forefront of the economies of the world. Large scale employment opportunities for our youth in the services sector as a whole, and particularly in the IT and BPO sectors, are enabling young people with appropriate educational backgrounds to be part of the momentum that is taking India forward towards becoming a prosperous nation. More and more cities and towns of our country are attracting investment from knowledge companies wanting to tap into our skilled manpower base. They span a wide spectrum of activities from high-end research and development and software development to call centers and outsourcing of other forms. Chandigarh is one of the cities which is poised to join the front ranks of IT cities like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad and Gurgaon. This is a region which has been the granary of India. It has been the pioneer of the Green Revolution which transformed Indian agriculture. The hard work of the farmers of the region has made this possible, and the states of this region are among the most prosperous in the country. Unfortunately, the growth momentum generated by the growth of agriculture in the 60s and 70s has not been maintained in the last decade. Industrialization of the region, which was necessary for the second round of transformation, has lagged behind other regions. When I talk to industrialists, they talk of the immense potential of this region. They also talk of the infrastructure deficit, which is a constant in realizing this potential. If the region is to continue as the most prosperous one in India, it needs a second wave of development. This has to be anchored around rapid industrialization and the growth of the services sector, the growth of the knowledge economy, the possibilities of outsourcing being opened up by technological developments, and the rapid integration of the Indian economy into the global trading system are throwing up enormous opportunities which are waiting to be tapped. Chandigarh and the region around it has the right human resource base to tap into this favorable environment and lead the region to a new dawn. I am certain that the Chandigarh Technology Park will be the turning point in the economic transformation of the region. Chandigarh is the hub of North India and has over the years transformed itself into a city of economic importance. The growth of the technology revolution in the country has earlier limited primarily to a few states which took the lead in attracting investment from Indian and foreign multinational companies. Of late, however, technological investments have been spreading, and Chandigarh has become a popular destination for companies in the knowledge sector. Dell Computers, Querec, Infosys and DLF here in the Rajiv Gandhi Chandigarh Technology Park have ushered in a new era of prosperity and technological innovation in this region. Stop.